changing of landscape. The first humans were always on the move. They lived in caves and temporary shelters, always close to a river or stream. During the Ice Age, most of Britain was covered in a thick sheet of ice. Humans moved south in search of food and flowing water. Eventually, temperatures rose. This was the start of the Middle Stone Age. As glaciers melted, new rivers and lakes formed, teeming with fish. Fish was an important food source. The first fishing tools were simple spears with pointed ends made of flint or obsidian. By the Middle Stone Age, humans had learnt to make fish traps out of willow branches. They could leave these overnight, then return in the morning to collect the fish. Many of the forests around the rivers were cut down to make room for more shelters. The rivers became an ideal place to live near. During the New Stone Age, people began to farm the land. Rivers provided drinking water for the animals and kept the crops irrigated during the summer months. Having a river nearby also made it easy to wash clothes and equipment. Trade became important, and bridges were built across rivers to make it easier to transport goods. Rivers were also widened so that ships could bring goods inland. Now, anyone could trade their goods anywhere.